guys, try and stay out of trouble. 20 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, unfortunately, blue, green and grey, you were all over. Well done, red. And round the green mark. That's well done, red, that is. Well done, red. The rest of you, don't know what's happened there. Bit of a pile up. Oh, well done, grey and green and white. Go on, you've all got to go round. Blue and orange. That's it, pinch up orange. Well done. The start line. Should be manoeuvring your boat and your opposition.
860 is the minimum.
Advantageous position. 20 seconds.
The fin and lead is 420 maximum.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All clear. Keep clear, green boat, windward boat.
These are the signs, and there's now over 4,000 of these now racing in Europe. We hold our own district, national and international competitions. They're two channels, so they're quite easy to sail. Your right thumb does the rudder, the side to side for a rudder, and your left thumb does the sails up and down. So I'm going to get you ready for your start now. We're going to 1 minute start. Once the start tape has completed, you can then pass through the start line. Try not to get too close to it at the beginning, as you might drive with other yachts and get yourself held up. So I'm going to press the tape now. This is your start of your 1 minute countdown. Followed by grey and then white. So we're going to do a reach up to the first blue mark now. Reach up to the blue mark, and then it's a quick run down to the red. See him opening sails up? Yes, there he goes. Done a bit of goose winging now, and then it's dry brown and ready for the red mark. Here comes the blue and the grey, just about going hit to wind, because you lost the drive. Get on the starboard, well done. You'll tack around, it's easier to tack if you've got a bit of boat speed. Off you go down to the reach for the final time, final lap of the course. Blue's just beating up to the windward mark. Come on, Mum.